morning, mathematicians. Welcome to day 3 of virtual learning. This is our place value day 3 lesson for math. You can watch it at your convenience. So let's get our brains warmed up by looking at this graph. We can already tell that it's about our favorite cake. And there's chocolate cake, yellow cake, marble cake, and white cake. And this is the number of students that liked those kinds of cakes. So which cake was the most popular? We can look over here and see which one had the most votes, right? And right away we can tell that chocolate was the most popular. What about which cake was the least popular? Well, that would be white cake, right? Because it's the smallest. And then it's asking how many liked white and yellow cake all together. So we have to find how many yellow, how many white, and we have to add them together. Well, this one has 3. And this one has 1. So that's 1 plus 3 equals, you got it, 4 people liked white cake and yellow cake all together. And our last one, how many more liked marble than white? So here's the marble and here's the white. Do you remember how we do that when we're trying to find out how many more? We know that more people liked marble, but how many more? So we go like this. They're equal here, right? So we count what's not equal. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more people, right? 5 more people liked it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more people liked marble than white. Great job. We're all warmed up now. We're ready to move on. So today we're going to talk about ways that we can represent a number. And if you'll remember at school, we have an anchor chart that says that we can do tally marks, 10 frames, a reckon recs, base 10 blocks, number bonds, number line, and bundles and sticks. These are the tally marks right here. These are the bundles and sticks. This, of course, is our tens frame. Here's a reckon rec. We've been working on that with our double-decker bus. These are base 10 blocks. This is a number bond. That one we haven't talked about yet. And of course, we have a number line. Those are all different ways that we can represent numbers. So today we're going to talk about bundles and sticks. They're kind of like the 10s and the 1s of our base 10 blocks. But here's one. It's just one single stick, so we call that a 1. And then this, when you see them tied together with this band, we say that's a 10. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 10. We're not going to count them. We're just going to know that if it has this band on it, that rubber band, it's 10. Okay, so let's practice. If we have a 10 and 2 1s, that would be 10 plus 2, and we would say that's 12. So it says, what number am I? 1 10 and 2 1s? Well, 1 10 and 2 1s equals 12. What about 3 10s and 4 1s? That would be 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Be 34. So today, boys and girls, if we were at the classroom, you would be seeing this on the smartboard, and this looks real familiar to you, I'll bet. Today, we're not going to do this one because we don't have our math logs, and you're not going to be able to find your green tab because it's at school. But you will find this, and you will find this, and you will find this. All right, friends, this is in your red folder. So go in your red folder, do this page, and then you're going to attach it to Google Classroom under Place Value Math. Then you're going to do your Wednesday pages in your book creator for math. And this is an app that we just downloaded. Do you remember this is called Number Pieces? And you can go ahead and you can make numbers with 10s, 100s, and 1s and label them. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.